following signed integers. Number 1. Negative 10 plus positive 15 is positive 5. Number 2. Negative 13 plus negative 21 is negative 34. Now the equation is read as follows. Negative 34 plus 63 is positive 29. Number 3. Adding negative 17 to positive 17 is 0. These two numbers are opposite and equal and cancel each other out. Number 4. In order to solve this problem, you must remember a minus sign preceding a negative number alters the sign of the number. Thus, negative 57 minus negative 13 minus negative 3 minus 8 is negative 57 plus 13 plus 3 minus 8. Now that all the sign changes are taken care of, this problem can easily be solved. Group all the numbers with like signs together. You should have negative 57 and negative 8, and positive 13 and positive 3. Add each of the sets separately. The result is negative 65 plus 16, which is negative 49. Number 5. Remembering the sign changes that occur. 19 minus negative 11 is 19 plus 11. The result of adding these two numbers is 30. Number 6. Don't forget the sign changes that occur when a minus sign precedes a minus sign. Thus, minus 21 becomes positive 21. The resulting equation is minus 2 minus 33 plus 21. Adding the two numbers with like signs, we get negative 35 plus 21. When these components are added, the sum is negative 14. Number 7. 0 minus 36 is negative 36. Negative 96 minus negative 26 plus 45 is negative 96 plus 26 plus 45. Simplified, that is, negative 96 plus 71 is negative 25. Multiply and divide the following signed integers. Number 1. Negative 17 times 5 is negative 85. Number 2. An uneven number of negative signs in an equation makes the final result negative. Thus, without solving the problem, we know the solution will be negative because it contains an uneven number of negative signs. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 125. Problem 3. In problem 3, a dot is used to represent multiplication. 32 times 5 is 160. Number 4. In problem 4, two symbols are used to represent multiplication, the dot and the parentheses. Combining different symbols does not alter the process. Ordinarily, the number of negative signs in the problem is used to determine the sign of the product. However, since a 0 is involved, we know that the final result is 0. Let's solve the problem in detail to prove our point. Negative 1 times negative 325 is 325. 325 times 0 is 0. Number 5. Problem 5 contains an even number of negative signs. Therefore, the product will be positive. Now all that remains is to multiply these numbers to obtain that positive result. Negative 13 times negative 2 is positive 26. Number 6. Problem 6 contains an uneven number of negative signs. Thus, the final result will be negative. In order to further simplify the problem, we should separate the components into two groups. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Now multiply the two products to obtain the final result. 4 times negative 21 is negative 84. Problem 7 contains only one negative sign. Thus, the quotient will be negative because 1 is an uneven number. 32 divided by negative 2 is negative 16. Number 8. Although it is not possible to divide by 0, it is possible to divide 0 by another number. 0 divided by negative 39 is 0. When 0 is the final result, sign changes can be disregarded since 0 is neither positive nor negative. Since problem 9 contains two negative signs, the quotient will be positive. Negative 144 divided by negative 12 is positive 12. Problem 10. Negative 60 divided by negative 3 is positive 20.